A very good morning to class 6 student. Class 6 student, my name is Sunil. I'm your English teacher. Now from today onwards, students, we already done the chapters in English reader. Now we are going I'm going to start the new book. It's a supplementary reader of your class 6. The name of the book is A Pact with the Sun. So, all of you, the first chapter of this book is A Tale of Two Birds. A Tale of Two Birds. All of you know the meaning of this one because this one is simple line. A Tale of Two Birds. So, now I'm going to start the chapter. So, all of you, what you have to do? Your work is to read out the chapters so that your pronunciation would be strong and good. So I request to you all the students, please read the chapter once at your home, every chapter, whether it's English, Hindi, science, SST, computer, whatever the chapters are there, you have to read out the chapter before watching the videos. Why this is happening? Because if you're not going to learn the chapters, you are not be able to pronounce the word after few months. So it's very hard for you. And I hope all of you students are fit and fine. Take care yourself, wash your hands time by time so that coronavirus not get entered in your body. Students, it's nowadays coronavirus is spreading very fastly. So uh, in this time you have to take care yourself. It's very necessary. So now I'm going to start the chapter. Let's begin the chapter. The name of the chapter is the A Tale of Two Birds. This one is the story of two birds living in a nest in a tree. So before starting the chapter, the 3 points are there. This one is the summary of the poem. A mother bird has her two young ones lived in a forest. That means one mother bird is there and he having two little babies, young ones lived in a forest. The mother was killed in a storm and the mother bird has been killed in a storm तूफान को कहते हैं, and the young birds were separated from each other because of the storm. Both the birds are separated, gone into the different directions. Each found a different home and both of them found a different home. This one is the story of three birds, the mother bird and the two young ones. And what had happened, one day storm comes and the mother bird has been died because of that storm, and two little birds uh, they gone in different direction because of the storm. So let's begin the chapter. There once lived a bird and her two newborn babies in a forest. They had a nest in a tall, shady tree, and there the mother bird took care of her little ones day and night. What had happened? This one is a story of a bird. The bird is living with his two newborn babies. Babies means they are the small birds, the child of that particular bird, in a forest. In a forest, all of you have seen in a forest there are so many nests in the forest are there. They had a nest in a tall shady tree. The birds are making the nest on a tall trees. Why? Because no one is going to catch them. That's why they are making the nest on a tall trees. And there the mother bird took care of her little ones day and night. And what had happened, mother bird is going to feed them day and night. That means in the morning and in the night, the mother bird is going to take care of him to get seeds for him. So this one is a happening. One day there was a big storm. One day what had happened? A big storm came. There was thunder, lightning and rainfall. Thunder, ठंडा हो रहा था. Lightning, that means बिजली चमकना, and rain, और बारिश हो रही थी. and the wind blew, और काफ़ी तेज हवा चल रही थी. Down many trees, बहुत सारे पेड़ गिर गए थे. The tall tree in which the bird lived also came down, in which tree the birds already make their nest also came down into the ground. A big heavy branches hit the nest. What had happened because of the storm? A big branch hit to their nest, and what had happened? Unfortunately, the mother bird has been died. Fortunately for the baby bird, the strong wind blew them away to the other side. What had happened? Because of the storm, both the birds are blew away to other sides of the forest. Maybe one of them gone to the east side and the other one in the west side. One of them came down near a cave. So both of them birds are gone in the different direction. What had happened? One of the bird uh, blew blew in the cave where a gang of robbers, in a cave the gang of robbers are left. Gang means jhund, robbers chor. The other land outside a rishi आश्रम अ लिटिल डिस्टेंस अवे. और दूसरी जो चिड़िया थी, शी गॉन इन अ ऋषि आश्रम, और वो दूसरी जगह ऋषि के आश्रम में चली जाती है. देन मूविंग फॉरवर्ड टू द नेक्स्ट पेज. Days passed and the baby's bird became big. And what had happened? Days are going on and the bird become big. One day the king of the country came to the forest. One day what had happened? The king of the country came to the forest for hunting. The kings, they are going for the hunting on the forest. So what he saw? He saw a deer and rode after it. It ran deep into the forest. One deer came in front of him, and what had happened? When he saw the deer run away from run away to take care of himself deep into the forest, followed by the king, and king is going to follow him to kill them. Soon the king lost his way and didn't know where he was. And what had happened? Soon king lost his way. King already lost his way from where he come into the forest. So the road of the long time till he came to the other side of the forest. And after that, after a long time, he came to other side of the forest. He is very tired because he is finding his way. What had happened, he is very tired because of finding the way. He is roaming around in the forest. He got off his horse and sat down under a tree. And what had happened, he, after roaming around in the forest, he tired and he sat down under a tree and stood near a cave. Suddenly he heard a voice carrying out. Suddenly he heard some voice coming into his ears. Quick, hurry up. Quick, hurry up. There's something under the tree. He heard a sound like, जल्दी करो, कोई है पेड़ के नीचे. Come and take his jewels. और आओ और इसके गहने ले लो. एंड हिज हॉर्स, और इसका घोड़ा ले लो. हरी, जल्दी करो, और एल्स स्लिप अवे. The king was amazed because of hearing this sound. King was amazing. He's getting this type of sound. He looked up and saw a big brown bird. He is going to look in. He's going to look here and there to find it out from where he get the voice. So he was amazing. He looked up, saw a big brown bird. What he saw? A big brown bird on the tree under which he is sitting. He also heard faint noise issuing from the cave. He quickly got on his horse and rode away fast as he could. And what had happened after hearing that type of sound, quick king quickly kept his horse and go away from that side, because he's telling that hurry up, someone under the tree, come and take his jewels, like this sound. That's why the king go from the other direction, through the uh, because he is sitting in under the tree, so he stand up and ran away from the that location where he is sitting. So this one is a story of the half chapter, and rest of the half chapter will do it in our next class. So student, what you need to have to do is you have to read out this chapter and learn again and again, read out the chapter and revise again and again, because I think many of you are not going to read out the chapters, so maybe it happens, yeah, you are going to do the mistakes whenever you are going to read the chapter. So it's make you comfortable that you are able to pronounce the word, and you are maybe to pronounce the word and understand the meaning of the chapter as well. So student, there are some words I have underlined in the chapter. After finishing the chapter, I'll send you the word meanings of the chapter as well. You have to note it down in your classwork copies. So all of you know that today is 2nd of May. Just no need to do anything, just watch the video, and then after you have to learn the whole chapter. And rest of half chapter will covered in the next period of English. So again I am going to repeat the chapter. The chapter is about three birds, two baby birds and one mother bird. There once lived a bird and her two newborn babies in a forest. They had a nest in a tall, shady tree, and there a mother bird took care of her little ones day and night. One day there was a big storm. There was thunder, lightning, and rain, and the wind blew down many trees. Because of the storm, the trees are go down. Tall trees in which the bird lived also came down. A big, heavy branch hit the nest and killed the mother bird. Fortunately for the baby bird, the strong wind blew them away to the other side of the forest. One of them came down near a cave where a gang of robbers lived. One of them came down near the cave where the gang of robbers lived, and the other landed over a rishi ashram a little distance away. So this one is happening because of the storm. It happens. Yes. Days passed and both of them are living in their locations. Where are their location and they are living. So days passed and the baby bird became big bird. One day the king of the country came to the forest to hunt. One day what had happened, the king of that country is come into the forest and came to the forest to hunt. He saw a deer and rode after it. It ran deep into the forest. What had happened? Unfortunately, deer came in front of him and ran deep into the forest. And king is going to follow him. Soon the king lost his way, because his eyes are on the deer. That's why he lost his way and didn't know where he was, and he don't know about where I am, that because of the jungle is very the forest is very shady, and there are so many trees. That's why he forget the way also. The rode on for a long time till he came to the other side of the forest, very tired by now. Now he is very tired because he is going to find out the way from where he came from. So he got off his horse. So what had happened after finding a way, when he get tired, he get off his horse and sat down under a tree. And after a long time, what had happened, he got off his horse and sat down under a tree that stood near a cave. And this one is done in near of a cave. Suddenly he heard a voice carried out. Whenever he is whenever he is sitting in under a tree, he unfortunately get a sound. Quick, hurry up! There's someone under the tree. He get this type of voice and take his jewels and his horse. Hurry up, hurry, or else he slip away. So the bird which is living in a near about the robber's cave, what she said, because of the behavior of the robbers, he also learned the same thing. So that's why he's telling, there, hurry up, there's someone under the tree, come to take his jewels and his horse. Hurry, or else he slip away. The king was amazed because king haven't heard this type of sound in a forest. So unfortunately, when he heard this type of sound, so he amazed. At the time he is thinking that this one is very amazing. He looked up and saw, and he is going to find it out from where we get this type of voice. Brown bird on the tree, and a big brown bird on the tree. And what he find, he looked up and saw a big brown bird on the tree is there, under which he was sitting. In the same tree under which he is sitting, he is seeing that in the same tree one bird is sitting on the tree, and he is shouting, quick, hurry up, someone under the tree, come and take his jewels. He also heard faint noise issuing from the cave. He quickly got on his horse. And what had happened, because the king is very tired, but because of getting this type of voice, king get up fast and quickly got on his horse and roll away as fast as he could, and roll away himself as fast as he could. So this one is happening because of getting this type of sound, he prepared himself to run away from that side from where he's sitting. So student, this one is the story about the chapter. The name of the chapter is A Tale of Two Birds. So this one is the half story of the chapter. Now will uh, rest of the chapter will covered in the next class. So student, what you need to do, you have to watch the video again and again, so that it make you understand that what's the meaning of the story, what's the meaning of the chapter. So you can easily understand whenever you are going to watch the video again and again. If you are going to watch only in once time, then it's very hard to understand the meaning of the chapter. So I request to you students, please watch the video again and again, so that it make you comfortable to understand the chapter, as well as it's very easy for you to give the answers of the questions also. Because it happens whenever we are in the school, what had happened, we first of all will complete the chapter, then after we are going to ask you the meaning of the question and answer, as well as the meaning of the answers also, and giving you the time to find out the answers of the question. But now this time I can't be able to say to you that find the answers of the question, but it's very necessary you have to read the question, and after that you also have to find it out yourself the answers of the question. Why it's necessary? Because whenever you are going to do the same thing, what had happened, whenever I am going to send you the question and answer, it's easy for you to learn the question and answer and memorize the question and answer. So it's very easy. And one more information is there, students. Whosoever I am sending the name of the students, please make a video of the question and answers and send it to me in my personal WhatsApp group. All of you know my personal WhatsApp number is 9953630979. This one is my personal WhatsApp number. So you have to send me the video of English subject related, whatever I am sending you at the time of your class timing. Send it to me, the videos, before 5 p.m. Right? If you need any, if you want any type of query, please call me in my number. I'm 24 into 7 available, 24 hours, anytime you can call me in my personal number. The same number is there, the WhatsApp number 9953630979. You can all call on my number. I'll give you the solution regarding the same concern. So that's all about today's class. Thank you. Have a nice day. Take care of yourself, all of you. Thank you, students.